Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another class for CET. Today we are beginning with applications of derivatives. So applications of derivatives यानी derivatives के use कहाँ पे है उसमें CET में कौन से questions आ सकते हैं वो देखेंगे. So first application is about tangents, to find equation of tangents and normals or to find the point on the curve. Point of contact. Tangent means point of contact आ गया ना. Okay, so let's straight away go now to the problem. The point on the curve y is equal to root of x minus 1. Now remember, every curve has an equation. Y equal to x, y equal to root of x, y equal to root of x minus 1. And every curve has a graph. So equation of this curve is given as this, where the tangent, this is the tangent, at a certain point is perpendicular to this line. Equation of this line is given. अभी ये -2 क्यों लिखा है वो बोलता हूं मैं, बाद में बोलूंगा. So equation of tangent is not asked. Find the point on the curve such that the tangent at that point is perpendicular to some other line. Equation of some other line is given. Now how do we start over here? Point है pxy पूछा है. So how do we start? Look at the key step. Slope of the tangent m equal to 1/2 root x minus 1 and m also equal to half. यानी 2 बार स्लोप का डेफिनेशन यूज करना है अलग अलग तरह. ओके, सो दैट बोथ विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर. दैट इज द की स्टेप. मीन्स 2 times you are going to find out the slope of the tangent by 2 different formulae. Now let us see how to get the first formula, how to use the first formula. See, what is the equation of the curve? Y is equal to root of x minus 1. So one application of derivative says that from the equation of the curve, if you find dy by dx, that will directly give you the slope of the tangent. Okay, differentiate with respect to x the equation of the curve. Dy by dx gives you the slope of the tangent at that point pxy. So this definition, पहले definition मैं use कर रहा हूँ to get the slope of the tangent. dy by dx, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट का फॉर्मूला मालूम है अपने को, 1 अपॉन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स 1/2 रूट एक्स, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट ऑफ x minus 1 1/2 रूट x minus 1 इंटू d by dx of x minus 1. चेन रूल, कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन का रूल. d by dx of x is 1. d by dx of minus 1 is 0. These things you have to do orally. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 1/2 root x minus 1 is dy by dx, which we got by differentiating the equation of the curve. That gives us the slope of the tangent, which is called as m. Okay, so slope of the tangent. इसको मार्क करते हैं. Now I am going to use some other technique, some other formula to again get the slope of the tangent one more time, because I can do so. Why? Consider the equation of this line, perpendicular line. Okay, so equation of this line is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Followed? Now slope of this line. How do you find the slope of that line? We know the usual definition, minus a upon b. This is a and this is b. Y के सामने 1 है, that is b. So equal to minus 2 upon 1. Minus 2 upon 1 is minus 2. That is the reason that I have written slope of this line is minus 2. Now, one important thing is, because the tangent is perpendicular to that line, slope of the tangent will be minus 2 का reciprocal करना है और sign भी बदलनी है. By properties of slopes of perpendicular lines, when the lines are perpendicular, their slopes are not equal. एक का स्लोप अगर माइनस 2 है तो टेंजेंट का स्लोप क्या होएगा? 1/2. माइनस 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/2, माइनस का प्लस का. ऑल्सो चेंज द साइन. वी नो दैट. देयरफॉर अगेन वी गेट m इक्वल टू 1/2. तो दो बार स्लोप फाइंड आउट किया है. वन बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड, वन बाय यूजिंग एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स. ओके. नाउ ऑब्वियसली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू से, दिस इक्वल टू दिस. ये भी m है, ये भी m है. दैट इज हाउ वी गॉट दिस की स्टेप. m इज इक्वल टू 1/2 रूट x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 1/2. सब साथ में लिखा है. क्लियर? So have you followed now? So after we get this, now in the exam, ये सब अभी मैंने आपको बताया है. In the exam directly we are talking about CET. Just write the equation of the curve direct. m equal to 1/2 root x minus 1 लिखने का. d by dx of x is 1. That should be done orally. फटाफट करने का. Get m equal to 1/2. दोनों equate करने का. Nobody is going to see the calculations. Provided your basics are correct, your answer will be correct. Okay. Now let us simplify further. Go ahead from this step. How do we go ahead from this step? Forget about m. Take the reciprocal using inward endo. 2/1 यानी 2. Two upon 2, that is 1. Get rid of the square root sign by squaring both sides. यहाँ भी स्क्वायर करो. रूट एंड स्क्वायर गेट्स कैंसल्ड. Root and square gets cancelled. X minus 1, 1 squared is 1. So 1 plus 1 gives you x equal to 2. Now x मिल गया. How do you find y? Put the value of x in this equation. Because the point Pxy, the point lies on the tangent and we have the slope of the tangent also. Okay. So naturally the point satisfies the equation of the tangent. Or what you can do is you can put x equal to 2 in this equation also. You will straight away get the answer. Okay. So put x equal to 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Obviously it is plus minus 1, but first I am checking the options. Usually one option is given. So in the option, the answer was given as 2, 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 gives you the point 2, 1. प्लस और माइनस 1 ऑप्शन में दिया नहीं था, इसलिए स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 is 1 लिया है मैंने. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दिस इज द point of contact. Okay, followed? So have you followed the key step? Differentiate with respect to x, equation of the curve, get dy by dx. Get the slope of the tangent, that is also m, dy by dx is also m. दोनों equate करो, solve करो, get the answer. Right? Okay. We go to the next sum now. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज स्लाइटली इंपॉर्टेंट. रीड करो. 2018 में पूछा था. डायग्राम में मैं वैसा कर रहा हूं. आई एम यूजिंग द सेम डायग्राम नाउ. इफ द लाइन y is equal to 4x minus 5 touches the curve. Touches the curve means equation of tangent is given. So equation of this tangent is given as y is equal to 4x minus 5. ये tangent की equation दी हुई है. Equation of curve, as I said, every curve has a formula. So equation of curve is given. This perpendicular line is not given. This perpendicular line is not given. रब कर रहा हूं मैं. Forget about the perpendicular line. This equation of curve is given. Y squared is equal to ax cube plus b. At the point, so here point of contact is given 2, 3. xy means 2, 3. Then find the value of 7a plus 2b. That is the question asked. Find the value of 7a plus 2b. How do we go about it? Let us start. As usual, key step क्या है देखो. m is equal to 2a is equal to 4. Same method I am going to use. First I am going to find out slope of the tangent by using dy by dx. Okay, applications of derivatives. So by using equation of curve, इसका dy by dx मिलेगा, यानी क्या मिलेगा? स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट एट दैट पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट. सो dy by dx ऑफ y स्क्वायर, ए कांस्टेंट बाजू को रखो. dy by dx ऑफ x क्यूब, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ any constant and only constant is 0. b is taken as a constant, a is taken as a constant. लेकिन a इसके साथ में तो a को साइड को रखा है. What is the derivative of y squared? Do you remember? Derivative of y squared 2y raised to 1 into derivative of y with respect to x. a constant बाजू को रखो. Derivative of x cube is 3x squared into derivative of x is 1, which we don't write. So dy by dx (3ax squared upon 2y). Now remember, this gives us the slope of the tangent, but when the point के coordinate अगर दिए हुए हैं, so you have to put x equal to 2, y equal to 3 over here. सिंप्लीफाई करना है फर्दर. सो पुट x इक्वल टू 2 is given, folks. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. करो substitute. Now dy by dx means m, slope of the tangent. Y is 3. 3 gets cancelled. So m equal to 2 squared is 4. 4 upon 2 एक cancel हो गया, 2a. So this is how we get m. By, like we did in the earlier case, consider the equation of the curve, find dy by dx, but since xy is given, put x equal to 2, y equal to 3, you actually get m, slope of the tangent, equation 1. Now, और एक बार slope find out करो by using basic definition of equation of line. See, now the perpendicular line is not given. Direct equation of tangent is given. Okay? So, equation of tangent. Y is equal to 4x. See, to find the slope, all the terms should be on one side. Y right hand side को ले लो. Plus y goes on the right hand side as minus y. Minus 5 equal to 0. So a equal to 4, b equal to minus. x के सामने क्या है a. y के सामने क्या है minus 1. Therefore slope क्या हो गया? Minus a upon b. Basic definition of slope of a line. Minus a upon b means minus 4 upon minus 1. Therefore again slope of the tangent is 4. Followed? Same technique we are using. Find the slope of the tangent 2 times. Okay? One using equation of curve, one using basic formula for line, like in the earlier case. अभी 2 बार m आ गया है, m equal to 2a, m equal to 4. So अभी की स्टेप मिल गया अपने को, m equal to 2a equal to 4. सिंपल सी बात है. So from equations 1 and 2 you get 2a equal to 4. Therefore a equal to 4 upon 2. A equal to 2 is your answer. Now you have to find out the value of b. क्योंकि पूछा क्या है क्वेश्चन? Find the value of 7a plus 2b. Right? Okay. Now how will you get the value of b? By substituting, by using this equation. b कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे b है. So let us consider that. Consider that equation. क्या क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? a पुट a इक्वल टू 2. और क्या मालूम है अपने को? x इक्वल टू 2, y इक्वल टू 3. चलो करो सब्स्टिट्यूट, गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ b ना. गो अहेड. y is 3, a is 2, x is also 2. b मालूम नहीं है. चेक करो. x is 2, a is 2, y is 3. So 3 squared is 9. 2 cube is 8 plus b. करो कैलकुलेट. Eight to the 16. 9, sorry, not minus 3, it is not 19. 16 minus 9 is 7. Get minus 7. अभी लास्ट स्टेप में find 7a plus 2b. Get the answer. A is 2, B is 7, B is minus 7, 7 into 2 14, B is minus 7 है, 2 into minus 7 अच्छी तरह से लिख रहा हूँ मैं, 2 into minus 7, 7 into 2 14, plus of minus is minus, that is the answer, option given. 7a plus 2b is equal to 14 minus 14, final answer, final option was given as 0, that is the correct answer. So have you followed the techniques used today? 2 बार स्लोप फाइंड करना है, 2 डिफरेंट मेथड से इक्वेट करो की स्टेप बाय यूजिंग द की स्टेप. आफ्टर गेटिंग द की स्टेप, व्हेन यू इक्वेट यू विल गेट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ आंसर. सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट आंसर इन द मेन इक्वेशन टू गेट द अदर आंसर. इंटरेस्टिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट सम्स ट्राई करो, वापस देखो एक बार. ओके, सो विल गो फॉर वन मोर प्रॉब्लम. ये पहले लिख के लो, विल गो फॉर वन मोर प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑलरेडी 25 मिनट्स वीडियो. आज के लिए काफ़ी है. सो कल के लिए विल गो टू अनदर एप्लीकेशन टू फाइंड द अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू ऑफ सर्टन फंक्शंस. ओके, दैट विल बी ऑल फॉर टुडे. बाय.